Hi, Assalamualaikum. In this video, we will be presenting to you about digital transformation in Pita library apps. And this is our group members.
The website for Perpustakaan Tengku Anis at University Technology Mara UiTM Kelantan campus helps students and staff access resources like books, e-books, journal and exam paper to support their learning and research. It provides information about the library's collection of over 81,000 items and its seating capacity for 407 people. Through this website, users can search for material, learn about the library's service and stay updated on events and activities organized for the campus community.
Firstly, we would like to explain about the horizon scanning. Horizon scanning means looking at the outside world to spot new trends and plans for the future needs. For example, at UiTM Machan Library, the implementation of the mobile app's PTA system aligns with the growing reliance on technology in education. The external environment reveals a shift toward digital solutions, with students and staff increasingly preferring mobile platforms for convenience and efficiency. This work process was chosen to overcome issues like restricted accessibility, mechanical errors, and the changing demands on highly technological individuals. The rationale for this process include enhancing user experience by providing seamless access to library resources anytime and anywhere, promoting the adoption of digital tools to improve operational efficiency, and optimizing resources by automating routine tasks. Additionally, it supports the university's broader goal of embracing innovation to remain competitive with global institutions. By adopting the PTA system, the library ensures its stay relevant, foster a user-friendly environment, and support the academic success in its user in digital era.
Now, I will be talking about the PTA system and its benefits to UiTM Machan Library. The PTA system is sustainable because it reduces the use of paper and traditional record, making operation more efficient and environment friendly. It also integrates mobile technology, making it easier for students, including those with different abilities, to access library resources. This helps ensure all students benefit from the library service. This system aligns with the library's strategies to stay ahead of change in education and information management by monitoring new technology and trends. The library adapts to the evolving needs of its users. Finally, the PTA system positions UiTM Machan Library as a leader in embracing innovative solutions, setting an example for other institutions. In conclusion, the PTA system helps improve user experience and efficiency, supporting the university's mission to provide a world-class education.
Perpustakaan Tengku Anis utilize a library management system (LMS) like Koha or online public access catalog to manage and catalog resources efficiently. The book borrowing and returning process relies on barcode scanners for accurate tracking of transactions. Digital resource access is provided through platforms that host e-books, journals, and research database. Membership management system handle user registrations, borrowing limits, and fines. Lastly, a book drop system allows users to return book conveniently. The staff possess technical skills to operate the LMS, barcode scanners, and digital resource platforms, along with basic IT knowledge for troubleshooting minor issues. They also have strong customer service skills to assist users in locating resources and navigate the system. Administrative skills are evident in managing memberships, inventory, and records. Training sessions further enhance their capability, ensuring they stay updated with evolving library technologies.
Hi, my name is Olivia. I will continue with next point. Now we move on to what is working. First, what is working for LMS is directly efficient in cataloging, tracking inventory and managing library data, and also provide easy access for librarians to monitor books availability and user activities. Second is digital resource access. It enables students to access e-books, online journal, and research database, which is vital for modern learning and also reduce dependency on physical materials. What is working for book borrowing and return process is a structured system ensure that students can borrow and return books systematically, and if integrated with LMS, it minimizes error and speed up transaction. For its skill set, the presence of technical skills ensures staff can operate digital system. Customer service skill improve user experience and satisfaction. And the fifth is book drop system that allow after hours book return and improving convenience for users. After that, what can be improved? First, for LMS, may lack features like predictive analytics, example as like a popular book, student trends, or integration with other UIM system. Consider upgrading LMS to support artificial intelligence for personalized recommendation. Second is digital resource access. Not all students may be aware of training to use digital resource effectively. Organize workshop or webinar to teach students how to access and utilize digital content. And third is book borrowing and return process. If queues form during peak time, implementing self-checkout kiosks could improve efficiency. Introduce mobile apps notification for due dates or book availability, especially for users. What can be improved for skill gap? Some staff might lack advanced technical skills required to operate new tools. So increase digital literacy training, focus on areas like cybersecurity, data management, and troubleshooting. Fifth is user-friendly mechanism. Lack of proper system to collect feedback from student and staff. Introduce regular surveys or suggestion portal to understand areas and dissatisfaction and improve service. Lastly is physical space. If seating capacity or student areas are limited, explore and redesign the library structure is good. Now we move on to key responsibilities for work process. First, for LMS, the responsible party is IT team or system administrator. Roles is maintaining and troubleshooting the LMS software and also training library staff on how to use the system effectively. Second is book borrowing and return process. The responsible party is frontline librarian and counter staff. The role is assisting students in borrowing and return books and also managing overdue fines or resolving borrowing issues. Next key responsibility for work process. For digital resource access, the responsible party is digital resource coordinator or librarian. The roles is to managing access to ebook database and other digital resources and providing user support for accessing online materials. And fourth is membership management. The responsible party will be administrative staff. The roles is handling the registration of new library members, updating members record in LMS, and also ensuring library cards or digital credential. Fifth is book drop system. The responsible party is facilities manager or library staff. The roles is to monitoring and maintaining the book drop system for functionality and also addressing issues like damage or misplaced book in the Dropbox. The sixth is training development. Responsible party will be library manager or human resource. The roles is to organizing skill development workshop for library staff and ensuring staff are trained on new system or technologies. Estimated personnel involved is total estimate is 8 to 14 staff members are actively involved in this process. However, the exact number may vary depending on the size of library staff and the level of automation in library system and the number of users or visitors the library serves daily. That's all from me. Thank you. We move on to the next presenter.
The new business model for Perpustakaan Tengku Anis is a hybrid digital library model that integrates traditional library service with advanced digital technology. This model leverages digital maturity to enhance accessibility, streamline operation, and deliver personalized user experience through innovation like cloud-based, scope-based system, automation, AI-powered tool, and remote access to resources. It's also introduced new revenue streams such as premium membership and paid workshop, while fostering partnership with publisher and academic platform to expand the library offering.
Here are some improvements that can make the Pita mobile apps more effective and aligned with modern digital trends. Firstly is active and offline mode. Students still can open their apps to access selected library resources and app feature even they don't have an active internet connection. For example, students can download ebooks, article or lecture material within the app for offline access. This ensures uninterrupted access to critical academic resources. Second is integration with UiTM system. Integration connects the Pita mobile apps with other UiTM platforms like Student Portal, UFuture or My Students to create a seamless academic experience. For example, the apps can link with UFuture that students can access course-specific reading materials direct from their library account, centralized access to all learning tools, making it easier for students and faculty to manage resources and also reduce time spent navigating separate systems and also improve efficiency.
Now, here's an idea we have really excited about, adding an AI chatbot to the app. We have all been there trying to figure out how to search for a book or wondering if a study room is available. A chatbot could help with all of that 24/7. You could just type, "Where's the book and accounting?" or "How do I renew my borrowed books?" and get instant answer. It's quick, it's easy, and it will definitely make the app more user-friendly. So next is collaboration tools. Group work is such a big part of university life, so why not add features to support that? For example, we could have share reading lists where group members can share important references for assignments. Or even better, how about booking group study rooms directly through the app? These small changes would make it easier for students to work together and get things done more efficiently.
So I will be explaining the detail of the app's current features and the workflows. The first one is basic account management. The workflow process for this is the student manually register by providing their details and password so that the app will store the information in database. Next is for book search and catalog browsing. The students need to enter a search query in the app so it will show the database and retrieve a list of matching results such as title, author, and publication date. For library information and notifications, the library staff will manually update the app with the new announcement or change, and students can also access the app's main menu to know more updates about the library. For physical borrowing process, the library app helps students to search for available books in the library, and the system will update the student's account to reflect the borrowed book and its due date of borrowing books. The last one is fine payment of borrowing books. So the app will display the outstanding fines under the student's account section in the app, and the library staff will update the student's account to reflect the payment.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Amaika bin Hadris Rizal. So for the evaluation of the future state of the Tengku Anis library, we will look at three different dimensions of its future state, which the first one is the data. With a more digitized and integrated workflow, we will be able to improve decision making, by which is mean library management can identify user behavior trends to implement relevant policies to introduce targeted services. Second one is people and skills. This system contribute role automation, which it means that automation can free staff to focus on higher value tasks like enhancing library service or assisting students with research needs. So for the third one is workflow process. A re-engineered workflow process with emphasis on digital integration can enable automate borrowing. In other words, we can implement a digital borrowing system with QR codes or RFID to eliminate the needs for manual checkouts.
Now, I will continue the presentation by sharing the benefits of digital transformation. Digital transformation in libraries benefits a wide range of stakeholders, which is the students. It is convenient to access. Digital platforms provide 24/7 access to resources, allowing users to access ebooks, journals, and other materials anytime and anywhere. Also, it helps to enhance learning integration of multimedia resources such as videos, podcasts. It enhances understanding and engagement. Next is the staff. It helps to develop skill. It is the opportunities to learn and implement advanced technology and enhance professional growth. Also, it helps to improve user interaction. Digital tools enable better communication and support services for users. Lastly, it benefits the educational institutions. It is a cost saving. Reduction in physical storage and maintenance costs for printed materials. Now, let's move on to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum and hi. In my part, I will explain about the weaknesses of the process. In PTA mobile apps, there is a specific weaknesses that can affect their usability and effectiveness. I would like to highlight the 5 main weaknesses that have been identified. Firstly, the connectivity issues. PTA mobile apps require constant internet access to browse, download, and access database of book information. This might be tough for the students that have weak internet access. Secondly, user experience challenges. It might be easy for the students, but not for the staff or lecturer, because they are categorized in older user and those are unfamiliar with mobile technology. Thirdly, it is limited content access. There is no older materials or specialized archive in these PTA mobile apps, which is sometimes helpful for the students to accomplish their assignments and tasks. Fourthly, is technical glitches. For example, bugs, crashes, and slow loading time. This might frustrate the users and disrupt the access to essential information. Lastly, the weaknesses is no live chatting. Sometimes the students or the users are facing a lot of questions that cannot be described in the PTA mobile apps because there is no live chatting. so it is a little bit tough for the students to get fulfilled of the answers for their questions. That's all from me. Thank you.